Hello there, welcome to this video. In this video of nanoCAD, we will find the cumulative length of different line segments. I mean, if you have a polyline, and you can find the length easily from the properties box. So say I have a polyline, this is a polyline, so I can find the length of polyline easily, right? But if you have line segments, for instance this one, and you have another, so if you choose two different lines, the length of the lines will not be shown in the properties window. Maybe you have to select single lines every time you want to know the length of the line, right? So if you have combinations of lines, you have different lines, and you want to calculate the total length of those line segments in one shot. So this is where such functions will be useful, and in this video we will actually use the cumulative length finding functions of nanoCAD. So let's create some situations where we need to. So let's draw one line of say 300 unit of length. So this is okay. So this line is the length of this line is 300 unit, right? And I'll draw one more line of say 200 unit length, right? So this is 200, right? So I have one line of 300 and another is 200, and now I have many line segments, right? I have many line segments. So these are different line segments and having different length, right? So the length of the line segments varies because I have different values, right? So now this is one circumstances, and this is another circumstances where I'm not sure about the total length of all the line segments. And now in the first segment, I know the line length is 300 unit, and this is 200 unit length, right? So the total length will be 500 unit. So let's go to home and find inquiry, and this is the functions, right? You can choose cumulative length and select the lines and hit enter and press F2. So it will tell you the length, the cumulative length 500, right? So 300 and 200, total 500, right? Likewise, you can select combinations of different line segments like this and use the same functions, cumulative length, and press F2, and this is the length, right? This is the total length, right? So this is how you can actually calculate the cumulative length of different line segments, and you can find the cumulative area as well. So if you draw some rectangles, right, or maybe some region with polylines, right? I have one more rectangles, maybe rectangles. So I'll select all the rectangles and the region I have, and I can go to inquiry and cumulative area, and then press F2. So it should show you the cumulative area, right? So there are different measuring tools in nanoCAD. You can use those measuring functions to measure the complex objects quantity, to find the quantity or the values of area, length, etc., the physical quantities, right? So this is how you can actually find the cumulative length and areas, right? So thank you very much for your time. See you later.